Hey guys, thought I'd make this video to help anyone who has to change the automatic transmission oil or fluid in a 2001 to 2005 Honda Civic. And the parts you're going to need to do this job is number one, some automatic transmission fluid, and strongly recommend getting the actual Honda transmission fluid, ATF-DW1. In addition to that, you will need a 3/8 inch drive breaker bar and or a 3/8 inch drive ratchet. And the purpose of these is for breaking loose the actual drain plug on the automatic transmission fluid. And so underneath the car, what you're going to find, if we can get the light on it, is there's a drain plug right here, if I can get the camera to focus. And so this drain plug will go around your 3/8 inch drive ratchet, and don't be surprised if this is torqued on really tight. And so you're gonna have to torque on this a lot, and I highly recommend wearing gloves so you don't cut yourself when it breaks free, but you will be applying quite a bit of torque to this. You might also want to use some WD-40 or some heat to help loosen this. But when you do open this up, I can't strongly recommend enough having an oil drain pan here. And let's see if I can get the light. What you want to do is put the drain pan as far back this way as you can, because when you first open up that drain plug right there, this oil will come gushing out really fast. And I don't know if you can see the residue here, but the oil comes spraying out. And so you want to have your drain pan as far to the passenger tire as you can to catch all this stuff. You don't end up making a huge mess. So just make sure that before you completely loosen the drain plug right there, that you have a good drain pan in the way. And then finally, after you've done that, if you look at the top of the car, looking down, there is a little hole right here. This is where the oil will go. So we're going to put a funnel down there, and you're just going to pour in the new fluid. And the drain stick, oil stick, looks like this. I do recommend cleaning all this stuff because you don't want to be putting dirt in that transmission if you want to get the most life out of it. And also, when that drain plug comes out, there's a very strong magnet at the end of it, which is to trap little metal particles, which is probably shavings of the gears over to miles. You're going to want to make sure that you clean that as well. And so yeah, this, and then basically you will put the funnel in, and then you continue to fill it until, if we can get this camera to focus, there is some hash marks on this thing on the other side. Yeah, there are some hash marks on this drain stick, and so you just want to make sure you get the oil level between these two markings. And then finally, when you are filling up the transmission fluid, you want to make sure that your car is level. So I have jacks on not just the two fronts, but also on the rear of the car, because you want to make sure that the fluid is going to be level on your dipstick for the transmission fluid, okay? And so I hope this helps you guys, and thanks for watching.